Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to Cognizant hiring communication assessment updates. I posted this opportunity on our channel that is related to 23rd December and this is the biggest hiring by Cognizant and it is for engineer trainee role. One of the most important point, candidates are receiving the exam like assessment update from the Cognizant team that is related to communication assessment. So in this video we will discuss about pattern sections, do's and don't. Let's start the video. One of the most important point, this all videos are for all of you and I want support from all of you. Like and share the video with your friends, as well as don't miss the previous videos because there are so many platforms that they are sharing the fake opportunities that is related to third party portal hiring. Don't apply for that, apply for direct hiring in which the link is verified and the opportunity is correct. Okay, so let's discuss about the Cognizant pattern like Cognizant exam. So dear candidate, greetings from Cognizant. We are pleased to share that you have been shortlisted for communication assessment, and one of the most important point, this examination in the form of phases. Okay, don't worry if you not receive the mail from the Cognizant team, because if you are shortlisted, so you will receive, as well as this exam is in the form of phases. It is an sensitive assessment and hence we request you to complete the mandatory prerequisites. So basically you have to check your audio quality and you have to check the do's and don't, as well as ensure to install Metal Secure browser. Okay, click here to download. Ensure the laptop desktop audio socket in its proper working condition, functional and connected webcam, stable internet connection with minimum 2 Mbps speed. This is very important. Okay, what are the important point? Please attempt the audio quality test. That is very important. Okay, that is very important. Ensure that your voice through microphone is detected very clearly through the desktop and laptop. The assessment should be taken in a noise free and well lit environment. Okay, and one of the most important point, the assessment has time section. Complete each section within allocated time. You will move to next section automatically when time is up for the current section. The assessment has more than one section. Please do not click on finish test section. You are only one attempt is available. Please ensure your laptop battery is fully charged. Desktop is powered through the assessment duration. This is one of the most important point. This is the do's and this is the don't they mention in the exam mail update. So basically Cognizant communication assessment pattern is time 55 minutes. Section is reading and grammar. In the reading and grammar there is a fill in the blanks section as well. Okay, so in examination, if there is a 3 to 4 section, totally depends on them, but I am talking according to the previous examination. So in the reading and grammar section they will share the you have to repeat sentences, passage based question. There is a question related to article, speeches, vocabulary. Okay, so in the grammar section this type of questions or this topics will be asked, but in the reading section you have to repeat sentences. मतलब रीडिंग सेक्शन में आपको रीड करना है, पैसेजेस दे दिए तो उसके क्वेश्चंस के आंसर बताना है. देयर इज अ सेकेंड सेक्शन दैट इज अ कॉम्प्रहेंशन एंड लिसनिंग. इसमें यह है कि वहां पर अगर आपको कोई चीज दी जा रही है तो उसे आपको केयरफुली लिसन करना है एंड यू हैव टू आंसर क्वेश्चन. ओके, वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, ये सारे टाइम बेस्ड है, मतलब इनके पर्टिकुलर अलोकेटेड टाइम है तो उसमें आपको कंप्लीट करना पड़ेगा. एंड द थर्ड सेक्शन इज स्पीकिंग. सो बेसिकली इन दिस स्पीकिंग सेक्शन there is some topic in which you have to tell, as well as आपको यहाँ पर अपने थॉट्स शेयर करने पड़ेंगे. अगर उसमें कुछ टॉपिक दिया जाता है, उसमें अगर आपको एक छोटी सी शॉर्ट स्टोरी बताना पड़ सकती है, उस टॉपिक से रिलेटेड आपको बताना पड़ सकता है. यू हैव टू प्रोनाउंस वेल एंड दैट इज रिलेटेड टू पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक्स. What are the preparation tips for the examination? You have to stay confident in this examination. Listen carefully before responding. Okay, क्योंकि ये जो टेस्ट है ये पूरा मतलब यहाँ पर AI बेस्ड फीचर्स हैं, तो पैराग्रिज्म के लिए जीरो टॉलरेंस है. तो मैं आपको यही कहना चाहता हूँ कि आप कोई भी आंसर देने के पहले उसे ध्यान से सुनिएगा और शांत, एंड इसी के साथ साथ स्टे काम एंड कंपोज. इसका मतलब ये है कि आप आराम से शांति से, कोई भी क्वेश्चन आपके सामने आ रहा है तो आपको उसे शांति से अच्छे से देखना है, समझना है, देन उसके बाद आंसर करना है। ओके, एंड डोंट डू एनी मिस्टेक इन दिस एग्जामिनेशन। एंड मैं आप सभी को यही कहूँगा कि यू कैन चेक मोर यूट्यूब वीडियोज़, okay, that is related to you like cognizant communication assessment, and आप previous experience भी check कर सकते कैंडिडेट्स के। बेस्ट विशेस फॉर एग्जामिनेशन। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो।